Panorex. By simply clicking on the Panorex button, you can display this particular screen for you. In this view, you can take advantage of several functions. The main command toolbar, located at the very top of the screen, offers a comprehensive range of useful tools and features for efficiently managing images. It allows you to change the viewing mode: 3D, multiplanar reconstruction, Panorex, endo, and to perform operations on the images such as measurements, adding text, markers, and more. The toolbar is divided into several different sections, with each section having a specific function. Each button and feature is carefully designed to enhance your interaction with the images, further optimizing the diagnostic and treatment process. The Elements toolbar, which is located on the right side of the screen, allows you to perform numerous operations on both data and images. Through the 3D adjustment function, it is possible to select specific renderings for viewing anatomical structures. Airways displays the airways that are present in the images. Bone and skin shows both soft tissues and bone at the same time. High-quality bone provides a very high-definition rendering of the bone itself, as seen in the images. Endo displays the internal tissues of the tooth. MIP uses the maximum intensity projection technique to generate detailed, three-dimensional images by displaying the voxel with the highest intensity from the given viewpoint, providing a clearer visualization. Panoramic displays the dental arches in a single clear image. Layout button allows you to select the preferred layout for the main viewing window, so you can adapt the display to the user's specific needs and preferences, ensuring a more comfortable viewing experience. Thickness button. This button allows you to easily and precisely adjust the thickness of axial, panoramic, and cross-sectional images using the sliders. Elements button allows you to perform various operations. For example, you can select meshes to merge with the cone beam CT, identify and highlight nerves using artificial intelligence, or, if you wish, carefully trace them manually. Export Mesh button. This command allows you to export the rendering of the cone beam CT in various different formats, including STL, OBJ, and PLY. Panoramic Curve Detection button from Cone Beam CT. With Neowise, panoramic detection is incredibly simple and straightforward. You just need to click on the panoramic arch tracing option and then activate automatic detection powered by advanced artificial intelligence. The resulting image or data can be easily viewed, manually edited for more precise refinement, or deleted if necessary, depending on your needs. Endo view. The endo view feature allows you to focus specifically on individual teeth for detailed endodontic analysis, such as carefully tracing root canals. By pressing the endo button on the interface, the tooth selection panel will open up. Simply click on the tooth of interest and then wait for the main viewing screen to fully load in order to start the analysis process. In this view, you can carefully trace the endodontic dental canals with precision on the sections displayed in the viewing window. Implant view. The implant view allows you to carefully plan and easily visualize implants within cone beam CT scans. After opening a cone beam CT scan by pressing the Implant Management button, a dedicated panel will open, displaying the reference views that are provided to support assisted implant planning. With the implant view, it is very easy to plan and visualize implants directly within cone beam CT scans. Optimized workflow for the clinician. Once the cone beam CT scan is open, By simply clicking on the Implant Management button, you will access the Planning Management panel, where you can then select the manufacturer and the specific objects needed in order to achieve the clinical objective. If the manufacturer you are currently using is not included on the list, simply click on Implant Library Management, and once you locate the desired manufacturer, download and install the library with all of the necessary objects. Implants, abutments, scan abutments, each object is accompanied by a 3D preview, allowing you to make a precise selection. Once your selection has been confirmed, the objects you have chosen will be immediately visible in both the main display window and also in the side panel. From these locations, you can choose to show or hide the selected objects in the various available views or delete them if necessary to do so. With Neowise, you have the ability to create comprehensive reports, which can be enriched with images and annotations that are directly linked to the patient, making it easier to organize and reference all relevant information. Simply click on an open image and then select the Add to Report option from the menu. The report will be generated for you automatically in an efficient and straightforward manner, and you can conveniently preview it directly in the main window, making the process quick and easy. The 3D view of the temporomandibular joint allows professionals to visualize and analyze the patient's temporomandibular joint bilaterally, making it possible to visualize both condyles of the patient simultaneously and in a single examination.